Hello friends, tripod is a very important thing nowadays because nowadays the youngsters are very much busy at recording their new kinds of videos. This may be a kind of selfie or it may be for the YouTube. So however, I have just bought a new tripod from Amazon and very recently I have received this. I have received today and we are just going to have the unboxing of this product. Just have a look. So first you can see here it was delivered on my name. The quality of packaging is quite nice, is not remarkable but nice. But you can see here the boxing has has damaged a little bit. So now I'm just going to unboxing it. I'm opening this with my single hand and that's why it may be quite difficult, but however I'm not going to leave it. Yes, here this side is still self-taped, this side has been taped. Now I'll have a look inside this, what is inside the box. Oh yes, this section should be cut. Yes, now we can see. Yes, so many airbags, oh my god, why is my product only the airbags? Let's see what is behind the airbags. This is the bill. Keep it aside. And inside this, yes, this is the Photron Tripod that I ordered 3 days ago, and yes, the delivery speed was quite better. Now we can see this one. This is the box of the tripod. The look is quite better. The look is nice. Let's have a look inside the box. You can see it is well packed. No, I think it is not well packed. There is no sealing. Yes, from the company's end, there is no sealing, no authenticated sealing. Sealing is here. Inside the box you can see a very good quality bag from the brand Photron, inspiring your creativity. So let's have a look inside the bag. This one is also very good. You can see here. Yes, so I'm facing quite difficulties as I'm opening this with my single hand. Now this one is of course good. Yes, and this one is the tripod. This is the main part. Yes, you can see. I think it is quite better. It's quite better, I think. It's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so up to here the unboxing was. Now let's see how the product is functioning, and then I will give a full review of this product. Thank you.